Everyone, welcome again. This is class of 7 and 8 maths expansion formula part 2. Before that we learned a plus b bracket square, expansion is a square plus twice ab plus b square. Then a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third is a square minus b square is equal to, in first bracket, a plus b multiplied by, in second bracket, a minus b. After that we learned the expansion of x plus a in first bracket multiplied by x plus b in second bracket is equal to x square plus, in the bracket, a plus b bracket multiplied by x plus a b, or a multiplied by b. Now today's expansion formula is a plus b bracket cube. How to expand it? How to expand a plus b bracket cube is equal to, a plus b bracket cube means a plus b multiplied by, in second bracket, a plus b square. Okay, now I taught you expansion of a plus b bracket square, so write that formula. What is a plus b bracket square? A square plus twice ab plus b square. Now at a time multiplication of two brackets it's not possible, so break this bracket into parts. First take multiplication with a to the second bracket, then multiplication with b to the second bracket. Okay, is equal to, first a multiplied by second bracket, a multiplied by a square plus twice ab plus b square plus b multiplied by a square plus twice ab plus b square. Open the bracket, is equal to, a multiplied by a square is a cube, or you can write a multiplied by a square in this form, plus a multiplied by twice ab plus a multiplied by b square plus, now open bracket with b, b multiplied by a square means a square multiplied by b plus b multiplied by twice ab plus b multiplied by b square. Okay, is equal to, a multiply a multiplied by a square is a cube plus twice a multiply a square twice a square b plus ab square plus again a square b plus b multiplied by twice a b, so twice a, b multiplied b is b square plus b multiplied by b square is b cube. Now observe like terms, 2a square b, a square b, and ab square and twice ab square. So is equal to a cube plus twice a square b, and a square b is thrice a square b plus ab square plus twice a b square is thrice a b square plus b cube. This is the expansion of a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice a b square plus b cube. Understood? Now we will see the examples based on this expansion. What is the expansion of A? What is the expansion of A plus B? Bracket cube, just I taught you. A cube plus thrice A square B plus thrice A B square plus B cube. Now solve the example. Y plus 3 bracket cube. Here A is Y and B is 3. Here A is equal to Y and B is equal to 3. Therefore, formula A plus B bracket cube is equal to A cube plus thrice A square B plus thrice A B square plus B cube. Put the values of A and B. Therefore, Y plus 3 bracket cube is equal to A means Y cube plus thrice A means Y square and B means 3 plus thrice A means Y and B means 3 square plus B cube means 3 cube. Is that clear? Is equal to Y cube plus 3 3s are 9 Y square plus 3 square is 9 3s are 27 Y plus cube of 3 is 27. Understood? This is the expansion of A plus B bracket. Like this, one more example we can see now. The next example is 7x plus 8y bracket cube. Here A is equal to 7x and B is equal to 8y. Therefore, formula is A plus B bracket cube is equal to A cube plus thrice A square B plus thrice A B square plus B cube. Put up the values of A and B. Therefore, A is 7x, B is 8y. Cube is equal to 7x cube. Whenever two numbers are there, always put the bracket. Plus 3 multiplied by A square means 7x square multiplied by 8y plus thrice A यानी 7x multiplied by B square यानी 8y square plus B cube means 8y cube. Expand it now. Is equal to cube of 7, 12, cube of 7. What is the cube of 7? 49 multiplied by 7. 7 nines are 63. 6 is carried. 28 plus 6, 34. 3, 4, 3 x cube plus 3 multiplied by square of 7, 49 x square multiplied by 8y plus 3 multiplied by 7x multiplied by 64y square plus what is the cube of 8? 8 8 64, 64 multiplied by 8, 512y cube. Okay, is equal to, now 343x cube plus 49 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 8. What is the multiplication? 49 multiplied by 8 3s are 24. Find out answer. 4 9s are 36. 3 is carry. 4 4 16 plus 3 19. 0. 2 9s are 18. 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9 plus 6 17 11 plus 1 1 7 6 x square plus, now 7 3s are 21 multiplied by 64, 64 multiplied by 21, 4 6 0 8 12 4. Is it correct? 1 3 4 4 y square plus 512 y cube. Got it? Like this you can solve the exercise. One more type of example is there. Now 52 bracket cube. Break 52 like this. 50 plus 2. Choose one round number. Now here A is equal to 50 and B is equal to 2. Again formula A plus B bracket cube means here 50 plus 2 bracket cube is equal to A cube means 50 cube plus thrice A means 50 multiply thrice A square B, B means 2 plus thrice A B square plus B cube, like this, is equal to, what is the cube of 50? 5 5 25 125 0 0 0 plus 3 2s are 6, 6 multiplied by 50 square plus 3 multiplied by 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12 multiplied by 50 plus 2's cube is 8 is equal to 125 0 0 0 plus 150 0 0 plus 12 5s are 60 plus 8. Take the addition of this. 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 0 0 0 is 0. Then 6 0 0 is 6. Then 5 plus 5 10. 1 is carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. This is the cube of 52. Understood? Like this we can solve the exercise. Namaste. If you like this, you can share and subscribe. Thank you.